morning. This is Amos of Amos Database Consult. I'm here to show you the step-by-step guide on how to make money with Maxbounty, how to promote Maxbounty offers using Facebook and Instagram. Now, Facebook is a social media site that has millions of users, and you are sure to get targeted traffic from Facebook. That's if you know how to leverage Facebook to earn money on the internet. Now, CPA offers, we have CPA, cost per action, we have cost per lead, we have CPS. So this is per lead. So I always prefer anything that has to do with per lead, meaning when a successful opt-in is done, you get paid. No need for buying and selling. This is cost per lead, this is per lead, this is per lead, this is per lead. So this is per lead. So when a successful opt-in comes through your link, you get paid. Now you have to register on Maxbounty if you know you want to use Maxbounty to be an a CPA network to earn money on the internet. Register on Maxbounty, create an account. You can see this is my account. You can see my name right here. It must show always my name. You can see it right here. These are my earnings today, yesterday, this month. I keep updating my earnings. If you watch my previous video, you could see that the earnings right here is different from the one you are seeing here, meaning the figures are changing day by day. Now, as a newbie, most people ask me questions: what are the offers that convert very well? I tell them we have different offers. Even Maxbounty gives you some offers, right? Some hints right here to see the offers that convert well. You can see right here, learn how to simplify and organize your approach for choosing a new niche, selecting profitable niches for the new year. So by clicking on this link, you're going to see the offers that Maxbounty chooses for anyone that wants to get conversions. You are going to see payday loan, you're going to see survey, you're going to see some things like that. But apart from the ones Maxbounty chooses on this page, you're going to see here. Okay, let's click on it. Let's click on it to see. So the best is for you to choose good offers that converts any day, anytime. You can see here the Maxbounty recommendations. So here Maxbounty advices and all that, tested and true, put your passion first and all that. So you can see here the following examples of those. We've also provided a few Maxbounty companies that converted well for our affiliates within each niche. You can see fat burning supplements, fitness, diet programs, skincare products, muscle enhancer. High converting offer. This is an high converting offer. So if you can promote this, you're going to get, but this has to do with a cost per sale. So this is not the cost per lead kind of offer, but it is converting very well. So if you can promote this kind of offer, you're sure to get conversions. All I want you to do is, if I promote this kind of offer using Facebook, all you need is just create a Facebook fan page, give it this kind of name, boost the page. If you can get up to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 fans, I can assure you that you are going to get conversions on this, and this is a huge payout. You just look at it, $76. So that's very huge earning if you can promote this kind of offer. The cost per sale offer, which means your traffic, people go over to the link, they have to purchase for you to get conversion. But it is an high converting offer. So so payday loans, general loans, credit scores. I always tell some of my students that payday loans is also a very good converting offer. ZP loan is also very good and all that. And now we have Survey Junkie, which is $1 for per lead conversion rates. Now coming back to Maxbounty, you can see those offers that are picked by Maxbounty to be converting well for their affiliates. I personally have promoted this offer before. Is this Zippy loan I've promoted before, and it is converting well on anywhere, either Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all that. It is converting well, but the offers that converts faster on Instagram is all these get Amazon, get as get an iPhone, all this kind of offers converts very well on Instagram. Now on Facebook, payday loans, Zippy loans, losing weight, and something like this converts well on Facebook and all that. So you can see my page right here, a page I built specifically to promote a dating offer. When someone clicks on this link and sign up with my link, I get $8 per lead without buying they aren't paying anything for me to get conversion. All they need is just a sign up, and I get my $8 per lead. So this press is called Facebook Wealth Formula. I always emphasize it in my videos. That is the process of you creating a Facebook page specifically for an offer. Be Happy Today is a dating site. BeHappyToday.com is a dating network. So I'm representing their brand, and for you to attract people, you have to upload something nice, something that's attracting. So the same thing, if you want to create an iPhone X fan page, you have to create a very nice picture, and you can as well source for videos. Videos engages people. You can see here the videos I uploaded on this page, and with the videos I got more likes. From 0 likes, you can see right here, from 0 likes, the likes got up to 2,542. And because I've not been promoting videos on it, if I've been uploading more videos, I would have gotten up to 3,000 to 4,000 fans on this page. But with this little I have here, I'm getting conversions on this page. I started getting conversions once I reached up to 1,000. So if you know you are not being desperate to get conversions and without any budget, create a fan page, get the video of the offer you're promoting. If you're promoting get an iPhone X, get the video and start sharing it into groups. Start sharing it into groups. Start sharing it into groups. The more videos you share with your link, the more fans you're going to get. Video engages people. People love to watch videos on the internet. So if you have an interesting video, probably maybe from YouTube or from other YouTube sites pertaining to the offer you're promoting, or you can get someone on Fiverr to create a video for you, you are sure to get conversions on your offer. But if you have the money to boost your fan page, I'm going to assure you that your fan page is going to increase rapidly, very fast, and you're going to get targeted traffic to your offers, because the people that are going to be your fans are targeted people that are 100% interested in what you are promoting on that specific page. So the tips to increase your fans on your fan page is to upload interesting videos. Don't just post article without any video. Video engages people, so always post videos. Even if you want to post an article, let your article come with an interesting picture, but don't forget that 80% should be videos on your fan page. The 20% can be little article with an interesting picture. So, and when you post, share into groups related to your offer. And before you share into groups, just read the terms and conditions of the group you are posting into, so that you won't get banned on such groups. So with this, I believe you've known how you can promote Maxbounty offers using Facebook. Now for Instagram, you have to create an account. Don't give it your name. If you want to promote this kind of offer on Instagram, the best thing is for you to create an account using this name. Don't give it your own name. Give it this name, your account name. You give it this name and search for accounts on Instagram that has this kind of offer. iPhone X. Search for an iPhone X offer on search for iPhone X on Instagram. All the accounts related to iPhone X, and follow those accounts. Don't just follow those accounts. Comment on those accounts. Love their posts and all that. Whenever they see your comments and all that, they'll be encouraged to also return the favor by following your account. And the more they follow your account, the more you are likely to get their followers also being your fans on Instagram. So, and if you want a rapid growth on your Instagram account, you have to boost your Instagram account as well with some dollars to get more targeted followers on your Instagram account. And the best way to quickly get conversions after boosting it is, let your account be a very real account. Upload a profile picture relating to this kind of offer. Upload an iPhone X image as an Instagram account. Come over to this site and get some little things about this iPhone X, post it on your Instagram account, then chip in your landing page. So the first thing is create an account on Maxbounty, pick an offer, build a landing page. Here is a sample of the landing page, although this is not for iPhone X. This is for this is a thank you page for people subscribing to my list and all that. So let me show you a sample of my one of my landing pages for a CPA offer. Is a survey offer. Let me show you right now. Yeah, you can see here is my landing page to promote a survey offer. You can see over here my Maxbounty link is over here. When somebody clicks on this link, they'll be taken to the survey the survey offer I'm promoting on Maxbounty. As I said earlier, survey offer is you can see my name right here, Amos Database Consult. That is my business name. So this is the landing page I built myself. I build landing pages. So if you want to build a converting landing page, you can as well contact me to build a converting landing page for your CPA offer. So this kind of offer works nicely on Facebook, Instagram and all that. So build a landing page, a single landing page to promote your offer. We have cheap web hostings and domain that you can get to promote your offers. So the first thing is join a network. It can be Maxbounty, it can be CPA lead, it can be CPA grip, it can be just any kind of, it can be just Peerfly. We have different kind of advert network. So join a network, choose a converting offer. If you don't know any converting offer on a network you've joined already, communicate with your affiliate manager. Your affiliate manager is your friend. Always chat with them on Skype, email them, call them, let them know you're an affiliate and you need converting offers to promote, and let them give you tips on promoting. Most of the time they can share you good traffic sources to get conversions and all that. See, here are my names and these are my earnings and all that. So always communicate with your affiliate manager to give you tips on converting offers and the best way to promote them to get conversions and all that. So this kind of offer, just pick this kind of offer on Maxbounty, build a landing page like this. If you can't build a landing page yourself, can get someone to build a landing page for you. I can build a landing page as well. So this is a very responsive landing page. If you view it on your mobile phone, you can see right here surveyforcash.com.ng. So if you view it on mobile phone, it is very responsive, meaning it adjusts to screen size. It is a mobile responsive landing page, and you can see the call to action button I placed right here. You can see it how it's looking professional. So all you need, I can share it on Facebook if I want. From here I can share it on Twitter. So get someone, a professional person, to build a converting landing page. Landing page also contributes to how your offer is going to convert or not, because you can't direct link from Facebook, you can't direct link from Instagram to your offer. You have to get a landing page to promote your offer. I guess so far you've known how to promote CPA offers using Facebook and Instagram. With Facebook, all you need is just a fan page like this, and with Instagram you need an account specifically for that offer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do have lovely day. I'm Amos by name of Amos Database Consult. If you want to learn the CPA offer, just click on the link below this video, or send me a mail, or just search for me on Facebook on Skype. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.